Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about our money, what we get through salary or business. That is one source. What do you do with it? Invest. We need to start investing. And how do I increase my income passively? Are you sleeping? The third is about the mindset. What positive thinking, positive mindsets. So in this video, I'm continuing with our habits about investments. And one of the areas where anybody can start, any new person can start is about stock markets and things. You should know the basic ideas. The one of the book, an Indian writer has written and he's very famous, is Mr. Saurabh Mukherjee. And I have two books of his. And just to give a summary of his famous book, Coffee Can Investing. Now, what does that does? Coffee Can Investing, the low risk road to creating wealth, is a book that describes a simple investment strategy that is based on the idea of buying and holding high quality stocks for a long period. The strategy is named after the coffee cans that were used in the past to store valuable items such as gold, coins, jewelries for a long time. Okay. Now the book begins by discussing on the limitations of traditional investment strategies such as value investing and growth investing. That's fine. You don't know, which require constant monitoring and active management. So whenever like you buy something and you have to, "Arey, what is happening today? What is happening tomorrow?" That's our strategy. So it says you don't need not go for that. The author argues that a simpler, more passive approach is preferably the most useful ones which investors can invest into. Now, he outlines a coffee can approach which involves selecting a small number of high quality stocks, purchase them at a fair price, and holding on to them at least 10 years. At least 10 years. The strategy is based on the idea that companies that are able to consistently generate high returns on investment and maintain a competitive advantage over their competitors will continue to do so in future. I mean, if I can just suddenly tell me about, you have Reliance, you have Infosys, TCS, Mahindra, Birla. I mean, they are like Tatas. I mean, they're like the pillars for India. They're there. I mean, they're going to be there. It's what ITC. I mean, they're going to be there is what my feeling is. Yeah. So the author provides numerous examples of companies such as exhibited these characters. See this. Now, what is this? Asian Paints. Wow. I mean, nobody's there. HDFC is good enough. Marico Industries. I mean, so Colgate, Palmolive, Microsoft. I mean, there are lots of number of companies. No? Now, he also discusses the importance of conducting through research. I mean, few details you need to find it out about guidance on how to evaluate financial health of a company. So he provides few details, insights. The book concludes with a discussion on the benefits of coffee can approach, including lower transactions cost, reducing stress and anxiety associated with market volatility. Well, good stocks, I mean, how high or low the market goes and things like that, not affect much, rather than you picking up hyped ones and things like that. You have to be careful with that. So overall, what coffee can investing is a practical and accessible guide to passive investment strategy that is suitable for both very aggressive and normal, simple investors. Begin. Ideas to begin. Ideas to begin. So just one few terms we had come across, which is the old traditional value, the traditional investments. What is it? So value investing and growth investing are two old investment strategies. So value investing involves searching for undervalued stocks and trading it. So basically, it's on tukka mara. I mean, you're just betting on it and things like that rather than finding out things. And growth investing is like growth investing search for companies that are expected to grow at a faster rate. Oh, this can grow faster with the trending and things like that. So those are the old traditional style. I think you need not go for that. Simple. Study the company. Take your time. Patience, and it comes. Yeah. So this is a few on this particular topic about the book, summary about this book. So he has a number of topics in chapter 1. So introduction to the author introduces the concept of coffee can investing, which is a long-term investment strategy that involves investment into high quality companies and holding on to them for years and even decades. The author explains the benefits of approach and provides examples for successful investors. Chapter 2, which is like coffee can portfolio. This chapter discusses the characteristics of a coffee can portfolio, including the importance of investing high quality companies with strong fundamentals and a sustainable competitive edge. Third is of finding the right coffee can stock. The chapter provides guidance on how to identify high quality stocks. Simple. This is superb. No? The author discusses the importance of conducting through research and analysis. Provides guidance on how to evaluate a company's financial statement, competitive advantage, and management team. See, there are few things in everything. So I'll keep few things and then that's it. Do you not have 10,000 things? The art of selling. This chapter, that's the fourth chapter, discusses on how to sell the stocks. Now, the author emphasizes the importance of having a clear investment thesis and sticking onto it. Basically, what does that mean is, which I did a mistake. See, basically what happened is, it was 2008, I earned and things like that, and during 2008, I invested. And then not knowing and it crashed and things like that, and then I lost. The idea here was, one, when to invest. That's a lesson. And hold on to it. If I would have held, it would have gone grown. But I couldn't do that. I sold in the loss, at loss. So what time? Now, second thing is, when do I sell it? I need to know my level is okay, fine. It reaches this point, I get a sufficient amount, I should sell it. Or I'll hold it for 10 years, 20 years, and things like that. That idea. Rather than being greedy and things like that, it'll grow ahead, it'll grow. No. Have a clear investment level. Till what threshold you want it. Now, and the fifth one, coffee can investing in India. This chapter provides example of successful coffee can investments which has happened in India. Best person is Rakesh Junjunwala, Rakesh Damani for your DMart, and there are not many people in that. So he has analyzed and given them the insights on it. Chapter 6 speaks about the chapter provides a guidance on how to build a coffee can portfolio. What should you have as a portfolio per se? 7, most important, the mindset. See, everybody talks about mindset. Anybody uses it. And that's my third topic when I discuss in this my YouTube. What is the mindset you should have it? When to sell, when to buy. The 8th chapter, summary, emphasis on importance of investing for a long term. So overall, Coffee Can Investing is a practical and insightful guide to long-term investment in Indian stock market. Provides wealth of information on successful investment strategies and profiles some of most successful coffee can investors details he has explained it. So take few points, write it down. The idea here is to start, begin. Unless and you not started, you'll be there only. So friend, let me know what you feel about this short summaries, and if you want to have more summaries of any box, or you have any details that John, can you talk about this? Do let me know. Subscribe to my channel, my friends, and like this button, like this video, it'll help me. All the best.